Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Unsafe, unwrap. In smart contracts, handling errors properly is crucial to maintain the contract's stability and security. The unsafe unwrap issue occurs when the unwrap method is used to retrieve the inner value of an option or result in Rust without proper error handling. This can lead to a panic and crash the program, which is particularly problematic in smart contracts as it can disrupt contract execution. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how the unwrap function calls the unwrap method on the result. If the result is an error, the contract will panic and halt execution. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run Cargo Scout Audit. The warning related to Unsafe Unwrap appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we use a safer method for error handling like unwrap or, which provides a default value in case of an error. When we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to handle errors safely to prevent contract disruption. Always ensure you avoid using methods like unwrap without proper error handling. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.